A pet store had 4 cats to feed. If they only had 1/5 of a bag of cat food and each cat got the same amount, what fraction of the bag would each cat get? So to restate our question, what fraction of the bag would each cat get? So we could say each cat gets blank. I'm going to remind myself that I need a fraction here. Each cat gets blank of a bag. So it's going to be a fraction of the bag. What fraction of the bag? So my plan, we have 4 cats. We started with 1/5 of a bag. So I'm going to pretend whenever I have fractions, I pretend that they're just whole numbers. So I'm going to take off this 1 and pretend that I have 5 bags. So if I have 4 cats and I have 5 bags of cat food and I want to figure out how much cat food each cat gets, I would have to divide the 5 bags divided by 4 cats. So then I put back my fraction and I figure it out the same way. So I've got 1/5 of the bag and I would divide it between the 4 cats. So I'm going to come over here to my solve part. So 1/5 divided by, I need to make that whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. And then I keep, change, flip. So I keep the first number, I change divide to multiply, and I flip the other fraction upside down. And then multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, 5 times 4 is 20. So it appears like each cat is going to get 1/20 of the bag. So how I can check this is if each cat gets 1/20, so here's cat number 1, and there's 4 cats. Here, this is cat number 1. I'll give them ears. Cat number 1. Cat number 2 gets 1/20. Cat number 3 gets 1/20. And cat number 4 gets 1/20. So I've got 4 cats, each with 1/20 of a bag. If I add these together, plus, if I add those together, I should get 1/5. So they all have common denominators, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4/20. When I simplify, I can divide by 4, and I get 4 divided by 4 is 1, 20 divided by 4 is 5. There is the 1/5 of the bag. So each cat gets 1/20 of a bag of cat food.